The dishwasher here. Hood fan to start with. Set the motor. Actually sealed in there. So I took a rock out already. Circles in the dirt. It's been here all night actually, since yesterday. Figured I'll just throw it in. Someone took the one rack out already, it looks like. The buzz around my neighborhood a little bit. I have to get ready for antique show. Start packing a little more. See what else there is around here. I'll cruise around a little bit here. Seatbelt on. Just never know what's out there. At least with this, you know, you top your load off, right? You know, you put an appliance and you throw this on top of appliance and it gives you a little weight. This one's pretty heavy, it's an older one, so looks like it's got the motor and stuff still in there and all that. So that's good. Just never know like what you see. I mean, I see junk piles here and there, but most of it's just like pure garbage. You just never know what people throw out. Being nice weather like this now, you know, it's like it's not that warm really. It's like only 14 it says, but seems a little bit warmer than 14. But my car says 14. Garbage day was yesterday, so you know, but it was actually yeah, it was actually garbage yesterday because we have alternating. We have 1 week garbage, 1 week recycling, and they have those big garbage cans. Up here there was it was like a crack house. I guess the bailiffs got them kicked out of there and they boarded the house up. They want to tear it down. People want to move away. So they had a chop shop there because there was like dozens of bike frames and bicycle wheels and everything like that sitting there. So I was hoping to contact the landlord and pick up all that garbage so I could recycle it. But you just never know. Oh yeah, my brother said there was something around here, an exercise bike. I think it's this block right here. Yeah, it's right there, exercise bike. So it's still here. I'll throw that in now. And a compact steel bike. So run around, get a few things before I get my truck loaded or my van loaded for the show. Well, that's gonna weigh 2 to 50 pounds. 45 pounds maybe. It's funny, you know, some things they can sit for days and some things are gone like within an hour. It's just really strange. Okay, I'll film as we get some stuff. Mess crap. It's like pure garbage. I'll take the metal. We get renters, so. Don't pay the rent and leave all this garbage behind. Then the owner's stuck cleaning the place, paying for everything. It's okay, I'll take whatever I can. Lighten the load. Lots of aluminum wheels. Broken crack pipes. Yeah, typical mess. Vacuum. This middle here. Stainless steel here. Separate this glass. Frame. Typical garbage, so. Kind of VCR or something here. DVD player. That's total garbage. I don't see nothing really good here besides the scrap metal. I think that's pretty well it. This cord. Oh, that's good. Bit of a load. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I put it inside here. It says it works still. That's good. Bombs will skid, so if you don't maintain them all the time, they get really dirty inside. I brought a self-cleaning one that actually self-cleans itself, sterilizes it once in a while. Otherwise, it get really slimy inside, especially if water sits for a long time and it doesn't cycle through. Okay, chair here. Let's see if I know where I can put it. Okay, 1 second. Got a buddy on the other line there. Doesn't want to go. Next step is put it here. Complicated chair with the handles there. Okay, the blender here. Take the mortar. It's all falling apart. It's like a Value Village one. It's got a sticker on it. Probably someone bought it, probably broke down. Okay, I'm gonna head back. I think I'm trying to work my way home. I'm gonna grab whatever I want to keep out of here. I'll take the water dispenser out, a couple things, and then I'll load stuff in my yard. And I'll just take one load there to Schnitzer quickly, just because I just want to get rid of stuff in my yard. You know, it's just a bit of an eyesore, so I would get rid of it, and then at least I'll do one load. And then, okay, so cruise around a little more. We're in a place called Birdland. Every street here is named after a bird. You know, I would think that's what they named the street after, birds. But like I say, there's a scrapper that lives right in Birdland here. That's why I don't find too much here. But you know, I do cruise a lot, so I do get lucky sometimes. But it's an old timer. I know exactly where he lives, and then he's always got lots of appliances and different things in his yard. But he probably does his hobby. He's not hardcore, but he probably circles this area once in a while. Last week I did good here. I got lots of stuff last week, so it was pretty good. It's a dead end that way. I cruise evening time, weekends. I cruise all time, different times of day. Some of these guys cruise in the morning. Cruise in the morning for, you know, half an hour, 45 minutes, and then that's it. Or they cruise garbage day only. I find stuff all the time. You just have to be active and do it. I'll cruise one more area before I head home, and then I'll do the switcheroo, and then we'll go at the scrapyard. So if there's anything else here that I pick up, I'll let you know. If otherwise, I'll see you in scrapyard, or I'll see you when I load it up, anyways. Bunch of metal. Oh, nice brass taps. I like that. Hello?
No, take them. Don't go away. I got something up there.
Oh, you got more stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jack here.
Yeah.
Got a bit of steel on that. You can take that.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. And I don't know if you need those. I don't know if you want.
Yeah.
I gotta take those to the and dump them myself.
Okay.
But if you want the metal on top, you can.
I'll take that too. Does this jack work?
It's leaking. It works.
Oh yeah, this is a big one, huh?
It leaks at the little pumper at the back there.
Yeah.
Needs an O-ring in there. A good one, but it didn't work.
Okay, perfect. Oh, it's a heavy one. Whew. This in next. That's a good bonus.
Yeah, those one got the glass in it. I'll take those down to the.
You take. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
No problem, brother.
You have a good day. Thanks.
You too.
That was awesome. This is what we got from yesterday. My load. It got dark. It's quit around 9 o'clock. The first guy, Filipino guy, gave me all this copper too, and it's pale copper and different things. That's stainless steel, some aluminum wheels. This is the fridge I got yesterday. There was a tall boy of I can't remember, kokanee I think it was or something, beer, sitting inside the drawer. Nice and cold still, really weird. So okay, fridge here, 4 barbecues, chair, a couple bikes. You know, you see most of the video, but we ended up going to where I saw a hot water tank, and I knocked on the door and the guy wasn't home. He gave me the hot water tank and gave me also a washing machine, so it was perfect, and a couple pieces of copper. I think he gave me, yeah, he gave me this copper here. Came from the tanks. So it was really productive. So that was awesome. What I want to do is I want to show. I cleaned part of my yard here. Close this for now. Cleaned part of my yard now. I filled my van up with all this miscellaneous stuff. I kept that jack where the guy gave me the jack and a bunch of stuff. All this I got just this morning. All this here. So I got wire, DVD player, copper, some taps. Motor came out of the hood fan. Actually, it's a pretty big motor actually. So lots of copper in there. Dispenser. I'm not sure how I'm gonna sell these yet. I'm gonna wait. The copper goes up a bit. If it goes, then the price will go up. You know, so we'll see. Aluminum wheels. This came from that guy also, the copper. So he wants to come out. Okay, there's my load there. We're gonna have a guessing game here. What kind of weight this is here? People can guess how much weight's here. I'm thinking myself 700 pounds. It's a mixture of stuff. There's bike frames you saw earlier. Then I stuck all kinds of other stuff like appliances and bed frames here, bed rail. Nothing super heavy except the best bed frames are heavy. I got a dishwasher in there. Keep my track clear here. Gotta start oiling stuff. So I got one chair in the front. We'll see over here. chair there, fan, 1 Keurig. And someone asked me the weight of a Keurig, at least 10 pounds or more. 10, 12 pounds for sure. Not all of them, but some of the ones are really heavy. Even that one's still 10 pounds, the one I have there. I got exercise bike in here, a couple little stoves, water cooled or oil cooled heater, few chairs. Okay, I'm thinking 700 pounds. I could be totally wrong. Could be a lot less. You guys, at the end of the video, I'll reveal it right after I sell it. But a little guessing game for you guys, a little trivia if you guys could figure it out. I know I had 1,000 pounds in here before, no problem, and it drove perfectly. Didn't even notice it was in there. So it's a 7-passenger van, so it's, you know, it takes. I could put 1,500 pounds in here, no problem. But you know, I don't want to overpush, you know, the springs and stuff, because you know, after a while, you know, you might damage something, right? But if you got a bit heavy load, just go a little slower. So I'm gonna put the stuff to the side. So very productive day, so quite happy about that. And then I'm gonna load up my van with whatever collectibles and boxes that I have ready. And I'll show you pictures of our video of my antique show setups today. And then early bird is, I think, at 5 till 9. And then Saturday is gonna be, I think 9 till 4. And Sunday 10 till 3. And that's Queen's Park Arena. Fraser Valley Antiques and Collectibles Club annual show. So it'd be a good show if you like advertising, any type of advertising, signs. There's always something different for everyone, right? Even if you just go there and look around, learn prices, is worth checking out. Okay, we continue now. It's the fun part. I was told the scrap is going down Monday, $10 a ton. So it's too bad. Prices are going down. Guys, those big feeder trucks. Fuel's gonna be pretty tough to pay the bills. Quite a bit of stuff here. heavy. Okay, last item. Yeah, it's right there. Console. What the hell's in this one? Pretty tight in the motor. Still pretty decent. There it is. Okay. Basically it. Okay, you guys seen the pile. You guys can figure out how much. I kind of know roughly, but we'll see. Yeah, I totally forgot about this crap here. Okay, that's it. So everything went pretty good there. I was quite a bit out on my estimation, but end result was it was 800 pounds of tin, 150 a net ton, came out to $60. So anyways, not bad. You've seen what I unloaded there. Was nothing special, you know. It was just basic shred. You know, that's how kind of what you throw in shred, right? I grabbed that blender motor at the end there. It was actually a nice piece of copper in there. Just gonna say a shout out to all people in Montreal and with the devastating floods they're having, and just hopefully, you know, the water resides for them and all that, and whatever rain and they're having and flood issues, just hopefully it just gets taken care of, because I'll tell you, it's no fun if you have a flood or your house gets destroyed, you know. But just, if they tell you evacuate, just listen to what they tell you. Take your possessions, your whatever belongings you have that are sentimental. Don't worry about your TV set or just stuff you can replace. Make sure you head out and don't avoid the warnings. Just like when you had fires in California, people avoid the warnings. They hide in their basement and pretending that no one's there, and next thing they overcome by fire and this and that. So if they tell you a warning, you know, I mean, warnings are there for a reason, but remember, take your sentimental stuff with you. You know, you can replace your goods, but you can't replace life. Take your animals, dogs, cats, whatever. Shout out to everybody out there in Quebec. Hopefully, you know, the end is gonna come, you know, so that everybody's gonna be safe and all the flooding will be over. It's just like I say, I know when I was a kid, our house burnt down, and my mom got like 50 or 60% of her body burns and stuff, and maybe 40-50%, I'm not sure exactly, but she was in the hospital for like 8 months. But you know, we lost her possessions basically, so I know what the feel like is, you know, how things are when you lose everything you got. So play it safe, don't Avoid the warning signs. We'll tell you to evacuate. Play safe. Okay. Got a bit of a van load here. Not a lot of great stuff or valuable stuff, but this is what I'm taking to show. I got Terry Fox print. I got that Asian Vietnam thing there, and then diesel glasses there, a little sign, a Coors Light, and to be honest, not a lot of good stuff, but you know, people like to buy cheap stuff, so we'll see. I got a milk can here I found in one of my jobs. I'll show you some spreads later. I'm not sure how much filming I'll do because guys get right in your face all the time, and then they might not want to be filmed and they might not want to buy, so I'll film what I can. Tomorrow I'll do filming of the show more than, you know, this, right? So you'll see a lot more filming tomorrow of different things and so on, and maybe I can walk around or something. But for now, you know, you'll see some parts. I don't know how much. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I'm at the show, just unloading here. Basically, I sold $120 some glass doorknobs. Guys really kind of lowball you right now, but anyways, to sell here 3 tables is $150, so 30 bucks short of getting my table. So lineups, the early birds are already lining up there. So that's why I sold two batches doorknobs, glass ones. And oh, I sold, yeah, okay, so I sold a bench. I had like a red bench I sold that you saw. I sold something for 15, can't remember what it was. So 50. Oh, so I made 155. Okay, so I didn't make made my table. Okay, so I'll show you as we get progress a little closer. People are kind of weird around here today. Okay, so Queen's Park Arena, New Westminster bottle show. Well, it's Antiques Collectibles in general, but originally a bottle show. Okay, stay tuned. So we're organizing here. My table's here.
What did you put this one?
20 for that one.
Okay.
This is, I sold lots already. People are just getting stuff on my hands before I can sell it, so I'm just organizing some odds and ends. Oh, these are the beer taps. Oh, here's that lid. Yeah, what's in the middle there? Careful with that. That's what the guy wants. That's the thing for it. These are my beer taps. This is the inside of the show. Pretty busy. Yeah, make sure they don't get broken. Yeah, this tablecloth's not that good. It seems to rip pretty easy. Got these dollar store tablecloths, and they're worse. They were thicker last year. Here's my red racer. Tin here. I'll take your money. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, that's 20 left over right now. We got Terry Fox limited edition. This miscellaneous stuff here. Usually the good stuff's gone. At least the better stuff. Pyrex. A couple nice paintings here. Beer taps. Pyrex. Incredible glass. Here's a cool thing. It's a McDonald's. Pyrex, I think. No, Fire King. Fire King, I think this is Fire King 2, I believe. That's Pyrex.
How much is the nickel?
A nickel. Okay, so I have also, these are Cadillac inserts for hubcaps. That's a Ken doll here. It's like Mahjong, but not that old. Someone said 70s. The basket there, planer. Here's a Wheel of Fortune when Vanna White was young. It's an older one. I have to bring some better stuff tomorrow. Looks like most of my better stuff's gone. The milk can, advertising, got that Asian thing here, Vietnam, 1966. So yeah, this one here, I was gonna pull this out somehow. Yeah, there it is. Problem is the early birds, they will nickel and dime you here. Before they come in, the dealers want to buy everything for nothing. So you're sitting here arguing with these guys. That's a nice looking camera here. It's a little bit dusty, but okay, so
I hope they only charge you for 2 tables, right?
well, I pay for I pay $150 for all this. 3 tables.
You got it worked out though.
Yeah, finding. I mean,
You can't have like you usually have a lot of space in the middle there.
it's okay. I don't have that much this year, so it's okay.
You do seem a bit. What's with that thing on your head? Are you recording everybody?
No, I'm recording now, but I'm not showing you, so don't worry.
But you can't help everywhere you look. I'm on
Oh no, I don't. That's what I'm saying. I'm only filming my stuff, so my camera's down, right?
Oh, please.
But
Why are you doing this?
I do YouTube vlogs.
Are you going to be a YouTube blogger star?
Getting there
Oh,
slowly,
you really?
slowly. Yeah. Do a lot of DIY videos, right? On demolition, all that. Yeah. Anyways, see, people get kind of edgy about filming, but I don't film anybody. I film more of my contents than anything. Okay, stay tuned. Aerial view of the show. 2019 Fraser Valley Antiques and Collectibles Club. Pretty good show so far. Probably made at least $650 so far. I have my son helping me. I give him 10% commission for kind of helping me, and he helps me load a little bit and sits around. If I run around to look at a few things and then so on. But okay, so I'll try to get some better shots tomorrow of some of the neater stuff. I'm gonna keep this vlog short for today. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, as always. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.